They know I was just shitting. They all know it. They all know I'm a bullshitter.
I don't know. Looks like an amphicar or something.
Do you know what a doobie is?
There's some mad shit here.
I gotta take a panoramic fucking picture.
I like that thing.
Well, I was having fun, but it told me to park my bike next to the hill.
Haha, vulva.
Wheels are like
I mean, maybe you really didn't.
A lot.
you can get like those wheels. Those are like Zani, Crystals, whatever. You can get those wheels for like $600 a wheel for 20s, and you buy them with those things, and they're like 11 something. So it's like $500 for a little foot expo for each wheel.
Need some fastbags like yours, Lip.
Yeah.
Go spin his wheel once, Lip.
I'm scared.
Walk up there and spin that thing.
That would piss me off.
Draw a lot of wheels, please don't. Every time I push the car this weekend. I might wipe you and buy you nice whips. Mom, but you really gotta ride nice dick. Know how to work your hips and your hands priceless. Perfection love the hoe, and I never let you down. Get you.
Start walking away from the damn thing.
Cutting it out in a different spot on his hood.
That was
Like your car.
Yeah. Fall the bottom of the
Yeah. Why didn't he put him in it?
There's that son with the dubs on it, Lip. It's a girl like yours.
That's definitely, they definitely like put the paint job. You ever see that crew cut fucking body drop? They had that convertible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Except it's a long box. Or how do you come to that conclusion, Chris?
If I had to chuck that cool, I'd get ass all the time too. Look at this shit. I'm taking a picture of this.
Do a wheelie, do a wheelie. Yeah. My camera doesn't zoom out far enough.
I don't want to get in the way.
All that, which one that?
Expedition.
Oh, I saw that at, where's that Dodge that was down the way?
Anybody bring coolant with them? Did you bring some coolant? Just like a little Can you buy these hoses from like AutoZone? Do they custom make these?
That's all there's to it.
That means he's going for the hot one.
Nice. Say yeah, woo!
Yeah, woo!
Yeah.
Now I gotta.
Slam it! Lay it out!
Hey, you got a Chevy tip. Lay that thing out. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
That's bad.
I'll rattle them out now. I need all these put on my trunk lid.
Ooh.
So I charge them $10 a plate. Put 2 screws in each one of them.
Hey, what's under the hood of that thing? Cooler? Hey. What's under the hood? Is that cooler? It is a cooler? Yeah. How much is that got capacity? How long is it stay there? Burn it! Burn it to the ground!
Unless I'm big my head tonight.
Wheelies?
All right, turn around. Let's see it all.
Hey, let me get a side view, like. Again, still.
Do a burnout.
Run him, you pussy! Hey, get out of the way!
Got a big block? One more time. All right, stop right there. Stop. Pin it! What the fuck? Pin it! Pin it! Pin it!
That's gotta be the world's slowest burnout I've ever seen.
Jake, watch out! Help it out! Put your hand in there!
Oh shit, cops!
Oh God, it's another fucking golf cart!
Hey!
Make a right. He's gone. Woo! Yeah, woo!
Hey, wait a minute, come here. Wait, yeah, you, in the middle, come here.
Oh, Charlie, get up! Charlie, come here! Charlie, would you go chase her down now?
If I had a brother, I'd want him to look like you.
Oh,
She called you out.
about 15 minutes.
He's got dual exhaust. They do burnouts?
The front of that other truck's just like...
We'll hold it back and you just put.
Yeah! Farther down! I want to do that.
Ask him when that is.
What? One's a hydraulic. Let's see!
Rev limiter, rev limiter, rev limiter, rev limiter, rev limiter.
Dallas got a dog leg.
Ride that clutch!
Oh no!
Hell yeah.
I like that.
Fast and Furious, I got that on tape, man.
Rev limiter, rev limiter. Where's the style?
There's one right there. Drag it!
Drag it!
Charlie, get it.
Hey,
Drag it! Drag it!
I got one of those things that says gay.
Okay, hold on.
I need those. Hey.
You girls don't mind, do you?
No, they don't.
Hey, your nipple's hanging out, by the way.
Shut up! Hey, let's see the thong. I know you got one.
Good man.
Fuckers are different, dude.
My hairy ass.
Still a player. Hey, he's with you, yeah, that motherfucker. You gotta jump the rope. Yeah. Oh, it's about to be open right now.
Wish I wouldn't have been paying attention to... There you go.
They keep missing it. They got big plates on.
I'm calling your mom. Put on that video we got in his hand and you go to the website.
Get down there.
I thought he was going to smoke it off there. Watch him come over here and do it.
Oh, now it's...
That one that was up in the tire or whatever, it's pouring all over. Sweet. I didn't touch it.
Yeah.
Hey, look, I'm going to tell you how to get here, alright? Go all the way down to the beginning of the truck where the car starts here, like that far, the end of the fleet.
Hey, we're not even going to unzip it until you guys get loud enough.
Bullet!
Break it! Break that shit!
Yeah, mine does. I'm definitely. Everybody does.
Oh.
My car that I had for a week went broken yesterday. The car I had for a day and a week.
Wonder why you ain't got a back window on that thing.
There we go. All right, we got about 5 more seconds. You guys want to see him break? Make some noise for him! That's it. And the players. All right, give it up for Chris Vines, who's 86 beast out from Louisville, Kentucky. Up next, I got Seagull Truck Pump, Single Pump Truck. If I could also have everybody in the luxury hop and medical hop, and you guys can be at your cars and have the stage where we can go as soon as we move. Let's squat down a little bit. Courtney. Man, you just made a whole lot of people happy at once. Isn't that nice? All right, guys. Man, if you want even flipping, you guys are going to have to make a lot of noise. Flipping?
It's like 9 of them.
If you flip it, there's one guy down. If you guys want to flip it over, you guys already know. It's on you, man, whenever you're ready.
ghetto fabulous on back.
Let's get so fabulous, baby!
That's the bumper! That's the bumper again! Come on, make some noise! For Hollywood Custom Hydraulics!
He looks like a construction worker.
That's time, man. We're up for Hollywood Customs from Chicago. 68 inches. Blue edition of me. All right, come on, put your hands together and give it up for Hollywood Customs from Chicago. 68 inches in the single pump plug house. Coming up next, we got Todd Brown and an 84 Regal for luxury house. All right, then put your hands together for Todd Brown and 84 Regal in the luxury house class.
Back bumper's about to fall off that thing.
Whoa! That sounded like more than a ground popping off. I'm gonna be over here. I ain't gonna hurt nobody.
I can't believe that they got a hydraulics competition. They don't have a fucking fire extinguisher out here.
26 inches in a fire for Todd Brown and an 84 Regal. Back up for you today. You know how hard it is not to say cuss words? This is the first show I've done all year just that I can't cuss. Oh yeah, I cuss.
Told us we couldn't encourage burnouts.
Alright, coming in next we got Jason Diaz and an 84 Caprice.
Good.
But we can encourage drag. Well, they told us we couldn't at first, and then Rusty went by and drunk it.
Oh, good.
That thing is nice.
This next guy's got the big balloon tires and shit on his car. Old school wires.
Spring out of the top. You had a concert where it's spring. Hey, but look, Monday it is out here.
It's a big car, man. I'm not blocking that much of it. It's on you, man. All right, so we're going to Jason Diaz, 84 for Bruce. Bumper on the ground. Alright, give it up for Jason Diaz, 43 inches with an 84 for Bruce. Coming up next, we got Chris Ponder. I said what? I didn't say a cuss word, dude. Look at that! Hey, play volleyball with the condom. Look at this, like a good year. Hey, you now, last car, luxury hopper, 87 Cadillac from Chicago. Memo, whenever you're ready, man.
That was just finished spring. That's awfully clean.
That was pretty cool.
Dragon. Right. He's just like.
Hey, somebody over here got a 3/4 inch French? You guys got one like on the truck? If not, it's gonna weigh things a bit. Still drive it off. Alright, come on, next. In the hot category, we got my man CJ with the 63 from Columbus, Ohio.
I'm always missing the freaking shit. God damn. Every time I miss them.
Is that all you got?
Fire, dog. This comes to the
Your shit's on fire! You guys are fire! Man, that was
Damn, they got people over there from the race.
Man, that shit wasn't even close to happening.
I didn't even notice all that fucking traffic over there.
Alright, give it up for CJ with a 63 Impala with 33 inches.
That means on the way home you have to sit not lean on the back of the seat.
Oh shit, no, man, that's
They got the back
Come on, you guys know he's gonna put the bumper on the ground. Put the bumper on the ground. Here, let me straighten your license out so we can pull it back. There we go. We'll fix the license plate before we start, man. Whenever you're ready. Come on, guys. We're kind of make some noise for John Martin. That's time, man. Come on, put your hands together and give it up for John.
I was like,
This thing's going.
75 inches for John Martin. Come on, 75 inches is like a little more than that. Come on, give it up for John Martin.
Alright, y'all see some more of that shit. I don't know, it wasn't sponsored. It didn't have any stickers on it. It might be just strictly hitting it out.
I fucked up your fence, dog.
You ready? Alright, man, before we start this off in the outdoor, I want you guys to make some noise for Brian Gillespie. 1, 2, 3.
look at this. You guys want some more free CDs from both sides? Let him start us out.
I love both.
Man, first half starts the clock. Come on, make some noise for him. He's got 60 seconds to show you what he's got. If you want to see him break it, you guys got to make some noise.
That's pretty cool.
John, you still have beer at home.
Look, my shoes are all dirty.
Hey, that's cute.
Yeah, you just touched my butt all night. What is that?
Yeah! Thing's gonna be on fire in a minute.
5 seconds and time. Give it up for Charlie John. Okay, now I'm going to be kind of a butt, and everybody's going to get mad at me, but I'm doing this for your own safety, and if we kill one of you, we won't be able to put on the show anymore. If you are down along this area and you do not have a gray wristband, I need you guys. There we go, he's got 60 seconds. Come on, put your hands together and give it up for Travis Piper. 90? Are we doing 60 or 90? 90, I'm sorry. Just jump. I'll tell you when to stop. Come on, guys, put your hands together and make some noise for Travis Piper. There we go. All four of them up in the air. Come on, put your hands together and make some noise.
Windows are
It's all right. Keep on hopping. 20 seconds, man. Show me your Okay, we got a fire. Hold on.
Zap, zap.
Oh, yeah, he knows what he's doing. He's got gloves and everything. All right, come on, give it up. For Travis Piper and an 86 Blazer coming from Evansville. There's still some fire underneath. Well, you actually made your time. Oh, he was close though.
some of these guys be nice. What's your job? To go around the stage and ranking shit.
Alright guys, since we're up into the dance category, I want to do a little bit. If you are not with the vehicle that is staging and dancing, I want you guys to at least give me give it up for David Hayes and anyone else here from Chicago Koncepts, Detroit, Michigan. Woo! Very nice job. Hey, hold on, there we go. Keep going. You're on go. Alright, man, I'm getting tired of running from you.
It's just fucking this way.
Alright, go ahead and start again.
why he's so happy.
That shit was fat. That's what that Bronco's gonna do too.
Oh, you can tell that bitch.
He's still going.
There goes the hook. Yeah!
This shit is stupid.
I still like to know.
I see another dude rolling.
Copy the next noise for Greg Palovich. Two smokes. 5 seconds. And you made time. Oh, great.
His tires are off like that.
Yeah.
I'm like, man, can I take time just to break something?
There's a lot that maybe we can get Dean Clark to slip his over too. You guys want to see Dean?
My shit's been numb like all day.
Make some noise! Come on, yet, boys. Come on! Like I told you, the other side of the wall is your best bet. Watch the ball.
Mullet!
Stop. Beam. Beam, you know better than that.
Who does?
Yeah, this ain't Ohio, listen.
Flip that shit!
Come on, man. Show what you got, man.
Break it!
Come on, man. Make some noise for green cards. 20 seconds, Green. 20 seconds.
Break it!
Time. Come on, give it up for green cards. Oh, don't even do it unless you feel one and been out here.
Hey, let's take your time now. Flip it for the hell of it!
You gonna put it over?
Just push it over! Push it over!
Come on, give it up for Dean Carnes.
You think so? I don't know. I was drag racing too, man.
After I was, though. I was done by the time you went out there because I saw you rumble.
Oh yeah, I think I did. Oh my god. That fucker is crazy.
There's fucking beer bottles everywhere. It's like, try not to get beer bottles.
You're fucking beating. Damn, someone's pounding on the motherfucker.
My third year.
Hit that one.
Where's Jake Star going?
Who's driving Jake's car?
I don't know.
Well, the money's right up there turning.
Somebody's stealing it probably.
Alright with this, John? This is your bike.
Go ahead, whatever.
Hell yeah, dude. You guys are getting hurt. Take it out, do it! Oh my god. Oh shit. There, boy. Hold up. I'm gonna have this weekend. Video camera last night jumping in.
Okay, here goes drunk man.
Hold on, just back up, go around.
Look at him 2 feet down.
Can't use the brakes too well with your feet off the fucking
Man,
thing.
I always take my little run through, see any potholes.
Oh, they're all over the place in this field.
Sure, that's a
Bottles, shit everywhere. You'll definitely hurt yourself. Where's that?